Hey there, tech fans. Rick here again from the OREI team with an overview of the BK-EXP 400R-K 8K HDMI Extension Kit. This product was engineered to make it incredibly easy for you to share all of your media content from one location with a second remote location up to 300 feet away over a single CAT6 or CAT7 LAN cable. The product fully supports 8K ultra high definition media content and is both HDMI 2.1 as well as HDCP 2.3 compliant, which means it's plug and play compatible with a wide range of modern media equipment. The unit also provides audio extraction capabilities at both the primary and secondary locations, where it can separate the audio component from the media being displayed and then allows you to pass that audio along to a home stereo or a soundbar for that full theater experience. The kit also includes a set of infrared blasters that will collect up the remote control signals from that second location and pass those back digitally over the LAN connection to the primary location, where they're rebroadcast so you can remotely control the content you're watching. And finally, the kit employs the very latest in power over cable technology, which means a single power supply is all you'll need to operate the entire solution. Now, as part of this overview, I'd like to start with a quick unboxing just to show you everything that's included with the kit. And then I'll take a closer look at the transmitter and the receiver modules, and I'll explain the connections and indicators so you understand how to use the product. I'll list the features and functions that this product provides, and then I'll come back and do a short demonstration to show you just how easy this product will be to use with your own equipment. So let's get started with the unboxing. When you first open up the box, you'll find a transmitter module and a receiver module. There's a single 24 volt 1 amp DC power supply. You can plug this end into any standard wall outlet. The other end has a barrel connection on it with a locking collar, and you can plug this into the transmitter or the receiver, and because of the power over cable technology, the power required for the other module is sent across that LAN cable. You'll also find a series of connectors you can use for the audio output on the back. There's a set of brackets as well that allow you to mount these modules up off the ground and out of the way. You'll find a set of infrared blasters that handle a remote control. And finally, a full instruction manual is also included that lists connection diagrams, specifications, and a lot of other really good information about the product that you'll need to understand in order to use it correctly. Now, if you stay tuned next, I'll take a closer look at both modules. I'll list the features and functions, and then I'll come back and do that demonstration. Inside the kit, you'll find a transmitter module and a receiver module, and both of these feature full metal enclosures, which make them incredibly durable and helps to minimize outside interference from causing any issues with the sensitive electronics inside. Let's start with the transmitter module first. On either side of the cabinet, you'll find ventilation slots, as well as on the bottom of the unit, that are really designed to let any heat that develops during operation escape to keep the electronics inside at a very comfortable temperature. You'll also find mounting holes on the bottom that can be used with the included bracketing kit to mount the modules up off the ground and out of the way. On the front of the module, starting on the left, is a power indicator. When you add power to the unit, it starts an internal power on self-test where it checks the electronics, and once it passes that test, it'll light that LED letting you know it's ready to use. To the right of that is a bank of EDIT switches, and these are fully explained in the manual, but they essentially allow you to adjust the frame rate and resolution of your input media to match the output resolution of the monitor. To the right of that is a USB-C port labeled service, and that's used for updating firmware on the module later on if needed. And to do that, you'll connect this to a local computer and move the firmware file over to the module to finish that upgrade. On the rear of the unit, starting on the left, is a power port, and that's used with the included power supply. You'll simply plug that power supply into a standard wall outlet. The other end of the cable has a barrel connection on it, which plugs in right there with a locking collar you can finger tighten to make sure it doesn't pop out. Now, because this solution uses power over cable technology, there's only a single power supply included with the kit, and you can plug that in at the transmitter end or the receiver end, and the power required for the other module is sent over the LAN connection. To the right of that is a LAN port, and that's where one end of the CAT6 or CAT7 cable between the transmitter and the receiver plugs in. To the right of that is an audio output port. This system provides audio extraction capabilities where it can digitally separate the audio from the media content and allows you to pass that along to a soundbar or home stereo for that full theater experience. The connection you'll make to your soundbar or home stereo is right there. To the right of that is a full-sized HDMI port. This connects to whatever media device you'd like to share the content from with your remote location. Always use a good quality cable to make that connection. To the right of that are two 3.5mm ports labeled infrared in and infrared out. In the case of the transmitter, you'll use the infrared blaster module for the infrared out port. Make sure you plug it into the correct port. And then finally, to the right of that is another connection that you can use for controlling the unit through RS-232 commands from a local computer. The receiver is very similar. Again, full metal enclosure, plenty of ventilation slots on the bottom and both sides, mounting holes on the bottom as well. On the front, another power indicator, another service port for updating the firmware on the receiver. On the rear of the unit, you'll find another power port on the left. Again, you can plug that power supply in here or in the transmitter. To the right of that is another LAN port, and that's where the other end of that CAT6 or CAT7 cable plugs in from the transmitter. This unit also provides audio extraction capabilities, so you have an audio port. To the right of that is a full-sized HDMI port. This connects to the monitor at the remote location you'd like to use to enjoy the content. To the right of that are two more 3.5mm ports, again labeled IR in or IR out. In the case of the receiver, you'll plug the module into the infrared in port. And then finally, to the right of that is another RS-232 connection block that allows you to control the units from a locally connected computer. The OREI BK-EXB400R-K is compatible with a wide range of HDMI media devices, including media players like Apple TV, streaming devices, digital projectors, game consoles, and computer systems. The product's features include full support of 8K ultra-high-definition media content. It provides power over cable technology for easy connection. It is both HDMI 2.1 as well as HDCP 2.3 compliant. It offers 300 feet of extension for 8K content between the primary and secondary locations, and provides audio extraction capabilities, and an infrared blaster kit is included for full remote control of your content. Now I'll show you just how easy it'll be to use this product with your own equipment. And for this demonstration, right over here I've set up a small media player that's currently looping a video on this monitor, and that's the media content I'd like to share with my remote location. Over here I've set up a second monitor, and this represents that remote location where I'd like to enjoy the content from the primary side. In front of me I have the transmitter module here and the receiver module here. Now the first connection I'll make is from the media player directly to the transmitter, and I'll do that by disconnecting it from the monitor and plugging that HDMI cable into the HDMI input port on the transmitter. And now I can connect the monitor up at the remote location. I have a second high-speed HDMI cable connected to that monitor, and I'll plug that into the HDMI output port on the receiver. And now I can add the network connection between them. That has to be a CAT6 or a CAT7 cable. I have a short CAT6 cable right here that I'll plug into the receiver and the other end of it into the transmitter. And all we need at this point is power. Now because this system uses power over cable technology, I can plug the power supply into the transmitter or the receiver, and the power for the other module is sent over the LAN cable. I've plugged in the power supply, and I guess I'll plug it into the transmitter. And the minute I do, the transmitter starts a power on self-test. It's also sending power to the receiver, which starts its power on self-test. The transmitter is checking the resolution of the media device, and the receiver is checking the resolution of the remote monitor, and there you go. So what you're viewing here is content from the primary side that starts out as an HDMI signal. It's converted into a signal that can be sent across this LAN cable, and then converted back into an HDMI signal for display in this monitor. And it really is just that easy to get it working. I hope you found this overview of the OREI BK-EXB400R-K 8K HDMI extender kit helpful. This product provides an incredibly easy way for you to share all of your media content from one location with a second remote location up to 300 feet away over a single CAT6 or CAT7 LAN cable. The product fully supports 8K ultra-high-definition media content and is both HDMI 2.1 as well as HDCP 2.3 compliant, which means it's plug-and-play compatible with all of your modern media gear. The unit also provides audio extraction capabilities at the primary and secondary locations, where it can separate the audio component from the media and allows you to pass that along to a soundbar or a home stereo for that full theater experience. The infrared blaster kits provide complete remote control from that secondary location over the content you're distributing. And finally, the power over cable technology greatly simplifies your wiring because a single power supply is all you'll need to operate the entire solution. Everything you need to get started is included with the kit, and with a few simple connections, you can be up and running in no time. So until next time, thanks again for watching.